happened in an Austrian fruit shop in 1842. Have you heard that exciting news? Physicist Christian Doppler found that observed the frequency of a wave depends on the relative speed of the source and the observer. The world will have a great change. What a clever physicist! Tell me, how does this principle work? First of all, he used... At this time, a little girl comes into the fruit shop with her mom. Mom, I want the pineapple! It looks so nice! All right, dear, let's take it. Mom puts her hand on the pineapple and holds the pineapple's leaves. You are killing a pineapple! Move away your hand! Help! Ah! One of the pineapple has been sold. Another one is crying sadly. Don't leave me alone. You haven't told me how the principle works. An apple, which is sleeping beside the pineapple, is woken up. He has already told you when he was leaving. What do you mean? When the pineapple is taken away, he was shouting, so the sound wave has been sent to you. Did you feel the change of the pitch of his voice? Yes! That is the Doppler effect. If the object is moving away from the observer, the sound that the observer hears is changing frequency. We assume the velocity of pineapple is 10 meters per second, and the frequency of the pineapple screaming is 2000 Hz. The original wavelength is the product of the time period and the velocity of sound. The changing wavelength is the product of time period and the velocity of moving object. The new wavelength, which is the sum of original wavelengths and changing wavelengths, equal product of time period and sum of the velocity of sound and velocity of moving object. So the new frequency that we can hear is equal to ratio of velocity of sound and new wavelengths, which is also equal to product of original frequency and ratio of velocity of sound and sum of velocity of sound and velocity of moving object. Using this equation with the values from earlier for the speed of your disappearing friend and the frequency of his screaming, it is clear that the screaming you hear a frequency of 1943 Hz, which is 57 Hz lower than the frequency of the screaming that your friend made. Christian Doppler is such a genius! I will... Wait! Another pineapple is taken away by an old lady. The lives of the pineapples will be ended soon. However, Christian Doppler's theory of waves will be important for hundreds of years.